shitting myself on that.
The stork is back! Look at the length of him on the show. Yes, Dixon! Dixon's got himself kitted out with some knee braces. He's back in action. See how he fares up here. You're better off riding it, Tomo. Oh. Can everyone see the problem? You have to lean the bike downhill to get past the tree. But you should put your foot on this tree here and then lean on your foot and then it should ride past. See how that goes. Could use his hand. He should do it the best because he's got the longest legs.
That's about a 70-foot drop down there. 100. 170.
Yeah. Them boys know. Oh, the Pidge is down. Oh, the Pidge is having a mare. Alright, Pidge. Don't think he's enjoying leading. Husky Hill. Do you want to have a go?
Straight up the rock.
Yeah. Yes! First go!
Didn't like that though, scary.
Well done. In. First attempt for a Pidge. Pidge! That was sick!
No grip, no speed.
Take two. I'll get that up from there if you want. Good effort, bro.
Let's get this cleared out for me. The other one just earlier. Oh, that? Yeah.
Someone's gonna hit that stump. Oh! Dixon doing it all on back wheel. Oh! He nearly hit it. Woohoo! Pigeon! Oh! Some sloppage! Whoa! To the face! Russian to the face! Ooh! Oh no! I seem to have a leaf in my mouth. Let's go! Oh, that's a good bit. That's a fun bit. Oh! A rodeo rodeoed that out. That was a right rodeo cowboy.
Fucking buckaroo, that's good front fork setup.
Yeah. Yeah, some PCT dampening there got me out of the shit.
Fucking
Errors were definitely made here. Woo-hoo-hoo. Yes, Bob. Yes. Oh, still a dab. Yes, Pidge. No. Full trials guy in it here. We want to clean. Everyone's having a dab to the left. No. Oh, yes. Full trials guy. Mission complete. We're in. Woo! Front is loose there. That is a nice little trail. Oh, to the bloody face. Oh, that was painful. Disc and sprocket side. Man's made a bit of an error. Oh, hell. Full extreme. We're in. Oh, what's this? Go on, get in it, lad. I wouldn't have gone in there if I was you. He's out. Oh, flow, flow. Hashtag keep it flow, flow. That's beautiful, man. Flow, flow is so good after a bit of chow chow. Whoa, where's the track? Look at these legs on this guy in front. Absolute anchoring him down. This is Green Mile.
What, this gully?
Yeah. Goes on for a mile.
Is it about a mile long?
Yeah. But normally we go up it, but we changed it up a bit. Bit of swampiness. Just give me a little nudge. It's a little friendly kiss, love tap, isn't it? Oh. Dixon, you're going that slow, the pigeon's catching us.
I was going to say, do you want to move past?
Can do. Oh. Does ride better if you keep it Keep it on the momentum streak. God, it does knock you off a bit all over. Woo! My arms are starting to hurt now. Oh, starting to feel it through my arms now. It's relentless. I'll relax a bit. Woo! Bloody hell. Started to feel that through the arms then. Oh my god. Yeah, he had to pull over and let me pass because I was doing his head in. Who's that in there? He ain't with us. Oh, we're coming at him this way, look. Thank you. Cheers, lads. Thank you. Yes, now. Lovely. Bloody lovely, that bit. Hello. Oh. Hey, up camp's got a swing. Oh, look at the colour of that water today. Quite a turquoisey colour. It's going to be really brown in a second, but I don't normally see that colour. Oh well. It's slippy. Bobby knows. Good battle, good battle.
They've probably been the worst bits of me today, the slippy.
This is a good way to end the ride. Yeah, proper flow. Blow me flow. Oh, the dreams. Even with shit tyres on. I have got some new tyres thanks to endurotires.com, and we'll be going on before a little trip we're doing pretty soon. But for now, we're seeing how far into the beyond the realms of completely wrong here of bald tyres go. Even get it as bald as my head and ride it in wet and see what happens with that. That'd be sick. Okay, right, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, see you on this one. Bosh.
Lost your phone.
What?
Darn it.
Lost your phone?
Yeah.
We spoke about losing your phone earlier and then you go and do it.
When did you last have it out?
Have you got Find My iPhone? Yeah, you need to go and get your laptop.